enemy brought a spike. Kill them.
They brought a spike. How original.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Sorry, I like making I like making fun of Omen's voice lines. It's
If you knew
Oh,
that, you're
yeah.
kind of like a genius.
Yeah, really.
Genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, they brought a spike apparently. I don't
What's a
know.
spike?
Once Sage
Just
said,
knowing that's insane.
you better fall
You're not
near
speaking
me
English.
than fall.
Je peux parler
I heard
un
better
accent
fall
long qu'anglais.
near me.
You're struggling to get your sentence out.
Yeah, I am. En français, c'est moi.
They're here. I said the Euro. The
here.
Euro is there.
Multiple enemies B. Cover going out.
Wait, there's two at B.
Spike down
Spike's
A.
down.
They're here. They're gonna be summoned. Oh no, they died. Okay, never mind. You killed them.
They're dead. They're at A.
ISO.
I'm out of here. Smart
Nah.
move. One enemy remaining.
Man stole my kill.
I'm sorry.
And I made neon. You stole neon too. What the hell?
Huh? I stole neon. What?
Reloading.
They stole me? That's illegal. That's
Stole
human
neon.
trafficking.
And
Team
Okay.
Ace.
Nice.
Ah, nice.
I don't even know how you get a team ace. I'm confused.
I'm also
Killer
the
team
only one
that's
to know.
killing us.
Bad way to go.
Anyway, y'all might find this cringe, but as my name suggests, I only do shotguns in this game. Shotguns and healers.
Dr.
are
Shotgun
most-
bins.
Wait, when did I ask?
Wait, when did I
Sure is
ask you
something.
to ask?
Sound crazy.
I'm informing you on my own free will. Oh my god, I forgot that was legal.
You're a minor. You have no rights.
And how
Your
old
mama.
are you, eh?
That
So you're
hurts.
And how old are you,
right.
eh?
You're like 14.
But how did you get that right?
Because you sound 14.
Oh, that's the first person I've ever heard say I sound 13. Oh,
Two at B.
What do I sound
how
like?
dare you? I was gonna shotgun my face.
Reloading. Take this. Pathetic.
Shotguns are for the one that don't know how to.
This way. Reloading. One enemy remaining. Spike
Teamwork,
down
baby.
B. Spike spotted B.
Where'd the yours go? The yours just vanished. Oh, found him. I died.
Get me
I
that
hit him for
kill.
24. I swear, if none of you hit
Fucking
him,
hit him.
I hit him for 24.
I hit him for 50, so like...
Your focus.
Yeah.
The one who had the sniper got you back.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
you
had the
accidentally
sni-
take-
I don't
On
know
the
if you
ground.
had the sniper.
Here.
Actually, I'll take it.
He wasn't talking to you.
Oh, wanted
Dr.
is not
Shotgun
bad
with the
with
Marshal. Dr. Shotgun with the Marshal. Yep.
this. You actually hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Because sometimes there are no sound bars
Oh.
or something like that.
Enemy spotted B.
Died.
Oh.
I got
88
headshot
on
with
K-
that.
K-
That's hard.
88 on KO and 40 on Clove.
Yeah, I've not hit any of them.
Insect.
Me with a
My
Marshal
ultimate.
comes down to pure luck.
Sniper.
Damn!
Last player standing.
That was bad. I played horribly. I'm
Nah!
with
Ghost.
what a bad move.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B. "30 seconds left. Clutch.
Damn.
Holy cow.
Nice.
If I act superior,
Nice.
it's because I'm out of charges.
That was incredible, Reyna. And they call me the monster.
Sorry, I was trying to focus. Thank you.
Nah, it's fine.
Focus after winning.
Oh,
I'm
that
still
was-
locked in. I had to unlock myself.
That was crazy.
I'm out of here. Maybe they're pacifists.
I keep forgetting I'm not Neon and I can't fucking run.
Pacifist? What you're
Go, go,
thinking
go.
about?
Okay, yeah, their Cypher's mid. I am for 15 in the legs. Because I could not move. Thank you.
Cyberberry. Spike planted. Cutting their vision.
Damn.
Like this B, yeah?
Okay, I don't know what
Yeah?
it is, but they're like ambush mode now. What the flip?
Owen will get there in a few minutes.
Last player standing.
Come on, Omen.
Cover going out.
Just save
Nice
your.
try.
Oh,
I got the wrong direction. Oh, and anyways,
They don't
have a spike was- single
life worth saving.
that's why I said I was gonna say go back and just save your gun, but it's alright.
Let us
yeah.
not die this time. Well, hopefully I don't die again by Cypher. Man had a Vandal? I didn't even realize that. I thought he had a pistol. From how slow he was shooting.
Motherfucker in the toe. Okay.
I'll show them. Lintik kayo.
What does get it, kayo?
Martial arts, I'm guessing. Either that or willpower.
Don't go away.
Spike down.
Oh my
B.
gosh. Okay, Cypher's hit for
Found the
120,
spy.
Clover's in mid.
Got him! Oh, shoot.
Oh!
I died as
Well,
soon
still
as you
got him.
said that she was there.
Shit!
I mean,
At least
I
get an
avenged you when it
assist.
came to Cypher, but
I was gonna say, at least I got an assist.
Last player
so.
standing.
yeah.
Again.
It's,
Yo,
it's funny
Matt,
'cause I
bro,
killed
you wanna know
Cypher
why
and
you're
then
the last player
Close killed
standing?
me. Because
you are
he lurks.
Fucking slow walking through spawn.
And also because he starts
Cypher's
at the
dead.
other spot.
Those don't matter.
Spike
Cypher's dead.
planted.
Oh!
Oh my god, you do what you want. I don't give a fuck if you slow walk.
Check corners, always check corners, child. Never
He's
not
got a
check
gun right there. Oh hell nah, brother.
Oh shit.
Nice
Oh
try.
hell nah, brother. There was
Nice
a gun
try.
right beside you.
If you
Well,
guys
even in
want,
the-
I can
a
buy.
share-
Check. Charges? Check. Brakes? Nowhere in sight.
Got that money. I got that moolah.
I swear, I love these guys' voice lines. Whoever came up with these, I commend them. That was insane. I love these voice lines. They're hilarious.
Go, go, go.
It takes me forever to get to where I'm trying to go because I can't run.
Quick
Sorry.
feet, quick trigger.
Do you usually main Neon or what?
Cutting their vision. Stealing sight.
Damn,
Mini speed.
Damn it, there's two there.
kinda died there. Damn!
I didn't mean to peek the door. Ah.
Spike
Away.
planted.
Yes, Omen!
Had your fun. My
No,
turn.
Omen!
Nope.
Just let her die.
Last player standing.
I hate this.
Love the one with the mic.
I swear, we just
Out
have
of
to rush mid, take out their Cypher and their cloak, and move it.
feel like we just need to not rush mid. I think we just need to like.
I lurk mid, that's the problem. You want me to lurk all the way around the map? It's too much lurking.
Well,
Nice
then
try.
you gotta take out mid, or just don't push through. Make them push to you.
Okay, they're catching up. It's literally tied
Second
now, I
their
don't
weak
like it.
points. If one link breaks, the rest will follow. I need this.
Reloading.
If one
Thank you.
breaks. the
I
rest-
got you.
Thanks.
Like I
Where's
said,
it going?
I'm a very wealthy doctor. I
Stay
don't
right on.
understand what y'all are questioning here. Don't question it. You question it, I have to shoot you in the face with a
Sage
shotgun.
is the doctor. What you talking about?
My name says otherwise.
Does that say BMI 400?
Yes, it does. No, it says BMI 4. It's a gun. It's a shotgun. A very powerful one.
Ah, hell nah. They got that right on me. Can't see what you're doing.
There's ciphers there. Don't get fooled. No, there's ciphers there. Omen. No, Omen. Who else was there?
Reloading.
Spike planted.
Damn
There's
it.
a. Let's guard it. Oh my god, it's gonna take me forever to get over there.
Yeah. No. Oh my God! Just run with a knife.
No, because then they're gonna catch me lacking, man.
They're
That!
gonna
Last
catch you lacking. They
player
already
standing.
caught you lacking, bro. Come on.
He scared me.
What do you mean he scared you?
Scared me.
Your duty is not over.
Yes.
You're back, Omen, bruh. She wants you to fuck it. Oh,
Oh my god, thank you.
defuse him.
One enemy
Nice.
Go
remaining.
down.
Last
Oh
player
shit,
standing.
he's dead. She left. Ah!
Let's try. Oh dang.
He brought Owen back just to die again. That's crazy.
You say something? Sorry. Ear's still ringing.
It's okay, Omen.
Oh, I gotta up my game right now, bro.
Just made 80 worse.
Bro, the first match of the day never turns out well.
I
for
know
me.
Sage that's under me isn't talking shit about my team this, my team that.
Dude, nothing. I agree with you
Wow.
there, Sage. I agree with you.
Sage motherfucking heals herself.
I can't do shit, but I honestly can't. The first match of the day is horrible.
Yeah, tell him.
Watch out.
I hit their cipher for 43. And I hit their clove for 5, but their clove can heal, which is sad.
Good attack.
Hate going up against self-medics. Really annoying.
Powerless.
Last player standing.
No, Sage!
Who's next?
Nice try.
I was hoping Sage healed me there, bro.
Sage died.
I know before that I meant she was standing behind me.
Don't worry, you get used to it.
Satchel out.
Why? Raise Y. Come on, don't waste that.
Right, Raze, you have no mic in your 2 and 6.
Actually, I thought Raze did have a mic.
No, that's Marshall.
To explode.
Marshall is Raze! Damn!
I know, that's what I'm saying. Marshall didn't have a mic. Y'all were like, Marshall?
Cutting their vision.
You're definitely there.
It's you and me.
Oh, hell no.
Here we go.
I hit them for 72. Come on.
That bitch had a shield on and everything when I went in there. You suck, bruh.
I hit their cipher for 72. Can no one land a hit? Thank you.
One enemy remaining.
Thank you.
Spike down mid.
No, just to destroy their KO, because their KO is not really there. It's just semi there. Of course.
The fuck?
Smoke bomb. Having a hard time there with the smokes.
I was trying to figure out where the fucking door was. Holy shit. My god.
Grace, the plan is... Never mind, just keep blowing them up.
Perfect plan right there. Perfect plan.
Yeah, well, yeah, he fucked up when he pulled me into his ult, I tell you what.
Bro, I so pulled you in. I'm like, no, my teammate. And I just go in there with my ult and instantly die as soon as I hit Cypher. I swear, it's like a dead man's switch. You hit Cypher, you infinitely die. It's just how this works.
Watch out! My ult's not ready.
No way!
I walled. I
Close
shouldn't
it
have
for
walled. I should have
68.
shot.
That's crazy.
I'm so sorry.
Last player
I have no
standing.
I have
Holy
no
sea
self-control
Cypher,
when it
man.
comes to this. I swear if they're clove aces this, bro.
Spike planted.
They
My turn. She's coming back, bro.
you can shoot her in that
You can
form.
shoot her when she's in that, yeah.
3
Oh my God.
killed.
Pick up another gun, you have 3 bullets.
Nice.
Damn it, oh.
You 6 kills.
Man's gonna get an ace here.
Stealing sight.
Every time you use that damn thing, I swear to
jinxed
God, they
it.
peek you.
I jinxed him, sorry.
You
did
must
good,
try
Mom.
'em.
Then fall near me.
Okay, my brain is not registering when I got 3 kills. Please explain. How did I get 3 kills in the span of this dying? Me dying now. I don't remember getting any kills.
Oh my God, you only got a damn 3 kills.
I don't remember even getting 3 kills, so I'm
That's
confused.
sad. And you took my main just to get 3 kills with it. You got me fucked up.
Found their clothes!
Insult.
Down mid. I'm sorry, I didn't know she was your main. I just insta-locked her because I'm trying to get better at her. Nice. The last time I played, last time I played her, I got 18 kills. 18 kill streak. So, I'm usually just trying to get better.
Reloaded. Enemy spotted B.
Yeah, it's the head tap, like last time.
Spike down B.
Precision.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
I was
Nice.
gonna say, he's weakness. Let's go. It's all good. I insta-lock her all the time, but I wasn't paying attention. I was on my
Last
phone.
round before the switch.
We cannot keep our goods after this. Spend
That's why
all.
I just said, screw it, I'll just take friggin' Reyna.
Who wants me to buy? Okay, never mind. No one here needs me to buy them. Then a frenzy in my
Can someone
back
get
pocket
this?
for good luck.
Oh.
I don't know why, but I'm gonna just hold corner here because I don't want to deal with that.
I feel like they go A this time. I don't know. Never mind. Slowed. I can't move.
My ult's not coming through. Enemy down.
I didn't know. The op bro is in back to the left.
Your shoot. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Back where
Shocked whoever was over there.
Reloading. Enemy spotted B.
Go on. Yeah.
Killed.
Reloading.
Fucking Cypher, bro.
Where is the motherfucker? I hit him.
He's running.
He is.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Okay, Sage, heal yourself. This is the point where you
30
actually
seconds
use your
left.
heal now. Thank you.
Planting at B.
Where the hell is their ice?
Spike
Gotta
planted.
go.
Damn, I'm slow as hell. Yeah, you gonna run right past me, huh? That's what I thought.
Almost out.
Oh, you can get the flank on him. There you go.
Flip you. Get out.
Satchel out. Satchel out. This is our home.
I am the shotgun.
Reloading. Reloading.
Switching sides.
The enemy only looks
We rush them.
composed.
They die.
Their hearts still
That's
a
how this
different
works.
story. Reloading. Reloading.
I'm coming, fellow teammates. Teammates.
Reloading.
Teammates. I might blind them as soon as
Reloading.
it's dark.
Okay, put a smoke right on the somewhere on the
Shadows
field.
traveling.
There?
I don't really care.
That's really bad smoke.
Somewhere
I'm
on
sorry.
Cutting their vision.
Gotta go.
Okay, plan.
We do
Oh,
this.
I guess nobody.
Spike planet.
They died.
Oh, why? That's crazy.
No, they're
Oh
over here.
shit!
I did a mistake.
I hit their
I
cipher
couldn't
for
see.
26 until he headshot me. Don't know how he does that.
Shit, they're both together.
There's an ambush.
Whoa. Are they trying to even out the playing field? Guess so.
Reloading.
Holding hands over there. Good time. To your left,
Player
careful.
standing.
There's one on the left too.
There's one everywhere.
No, no, God, no!
There's one everywhere. Wait, we
What
still win this.
was
We
that?
still win this. We still win this.
We don't.
Clutch.
Just kidding.
GG's.
We did.
We did. That's what they get for
Much as
holding
this
hands.
world hurt me, it's mine, and I
Well,
will
there's
kill to
Hey!
defend it.
That's my job. That's my job.
The sheriff power.
Give me the spot. Thank you.
Give me the thing.
I am a
I
shotgun.
said, y'all so lucky. I can't type to all chat. I'm banned.
Why?
So I say not nice things.
Of course. Tisk, tisk,
Shadows
tisk.
traveling.
Go, go, go.
Still inside.
Enemy spotted A.
He has a freaking
Rotate,
trip.
damn it! Rotate!
I was trying to get out of there, man. Oh, oh! He said rotate into them.
I missed so bad.
Last player standing. Flawless.
Damn it.
That's
broke-
what happened.
Okay, this is why I need someone. When I say rotate, I need someone with me so that I don't whiff that with damn ISO.
I was already captured up.
Don't say it's our fault.
Okay, wait. I say three of us go A, and then we do a two-man solo mission on this.
Bro, I can smoke their spawn.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, I guess
yeah.
it's
Your
two going A.
sword.
Two going A, three of us going this way. Okay. Watch out. They probably have snipers. I knew it.
Shadows traveling.
No, thank you.
Gotta go.
Cover going out.
Well,
Go, Marshall, go.
Running low. I'm out of here. Okay.
in the nuts.
I'm out of here. Enemy spotted A. Spike planet.
What the fuck was that sound?
Reloading.
I'll have a look.
My mouse.
Oh.
Ouch. Gotta go.
Nice, Marshall.
What if they come the other way?
Gotta go.
One enemy
Too
remaining.
slow.
Nah.
One enemy remaining.
Yours throwing.
I want to get away from
I'm
him.
out of here.
Run! Run! Dang, where the hell he at?
He gone. A giant black orb in the sky. How fun.
Stay alive. I want their life, not yours.
Can anybody else hear that announcement? I sure can.
Hmm. Something Russian.
Bro, I want to go to that concert.
Oh.
Or what? Okay, it's not
Oh,
a concert.
A 3v5!
God damn.
Nah,
Cutting their vision.
that's like an immortal.
Shadows.
Are we pushing this or not? What are we doing here?
I don't know what we're doing here. I've got the spike. We're
Holy
dropping like
shit.
flies.
I didn't think it. Oh my. Don't go. They're good. Okay.
Shit, I forgot to hit the heal.
I'm out of here.
Damn it, I didn't hit the heal. I'm so pissed.
Last player standing.
Bo was back from the dead.
Damn. Tried to move. What gun did he have? He had.
Not
Okay.
the cross map.
Neon.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I killed their Yoru. Leave me alone. Although the
What
Yoru's
is
not that bad.
Minya
Cross map.
Family, child. Minya familia.
Please.
I think that's what it means at least. I don't know. I mean, it sounds like it. Clove, get your rank, buddy. What do you mean? What?
Oh,
Poor
I
Clove.
got that
It's even that good,
360.
bro. Clove just comes back from the dead.
Neil,
Alright,
go. I
sweet.
think you should go to B because the opponent think that.
Okay. Marshall, you actually have a mic. Wow.
Avatar.
You fought well. Coming through! Gotta go!
I don't have fucking spike. Bro!
Reloading.
I got it.
Plant that. Damn.
Spike planted.
Spy cam? Where the flip is the spy cam? No!
Cypher's dead.
Why is my location still revealed?
Bove is hit for 120.
One enemy
He
remaining.
See, I hit her for 40. She healed.
Oh, fuck.
Last player
No,
standing.
Shit.
80
Yeah,
Omega.
she's defusing now. Yeah, you can.
May, what are you doing, May?
Blah, 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 blah. Go, go, go.
Nice.
This is what I trained for.
Yes!
Not just me.
Nice.
She was a fan.
Remember, bullets hurt.
Somebody give me the damn spike. Damn it.
Oh, I didn't know bullets hurt. Let's just trust.
You know what? I'll trust you, Sage. I will trust you. Better not let me down. Okay, never mind.
Trust wild.
Okay, you stole
I'll
that.
do fake
Thanks.
A.
Okay. We'll say. Well, wait. Everybody here, stay back. Stay back. Don't go to B. Wait to draw their attention to A. Yep.
Still in sight.
This way! Go!
Nice.
Cutting their vision.
Who's
Enemy
next?
spotted B.
Nice.
Reloading.
Wall raised.
Watch out!
Enemy spotted B. Go!
Cover going out.
Enemy spotted B.
One enemy remaining.
Probably through here.
Shadows.
Knowing Cypher. Found him! Damn. He stole my mojo! How dare he!
Out of charges.
I see that,
Backs will be
Black. I'm
towards
watching
at least one of
you.
us.
Black, I saw that!
That's the point. That's the point.
Flip you!
Guys, my girlfriend is coming. I cannot focus.
What?
Oh! It's illegal.
No, just kidding. Just.
She's what? Wait, what is she doing?
No, I just said she's coming.
Like to your house?
Oh.
Yeah, we're in the hood.
I'm out of here. This way. Go!
Damn,
Oh.
they're clove and they're
Spike
your
down
there.
B.
Nice.
Out of targets.
Just aim higher. Aim for the head.
Why didn't you just stay in the smoke, bro? Just like let him walk in. Nice. Don't just do that. No!
My turn.
Shoot him! Like,
Hell no.
bro, they keep ulting.
Last player standing.
Cypher's hit for
Ouch.
80.
How cheap is
One
their
enemy
ult? That's the
remaining.
30th ult I've seen this round. Like
He's coming.
seriously.
To your right, to your right, to your right.
How cheap is the ult?
Comes the party.
How the flip did you miss? No, Marshall.
It's fine, he's got it for fears.
Go get him.
Wait, maybe.
Yeah.
No, the bot. As they made it so the bot actually they made it so the bot still went out after she died. That'd be funny.
That's insane, bro.
What are you
80.
doing?
My God, how did
I
he?
know what must be done.
What is it? What is it, Sage? What must be done? Tell me it.
I wonder.
Where the hell are we going?
No one knows. That's the problem.
Oh, it's got the damn bomb. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing over there.
It's a 4v5 and we're no, actually it's 4v4 since our
It's 4v4.
Grenade. Enemy spotted B.
Oh my gosh, Clove, get her. She better not come
Reloading.
back, I swear.
Go, go, go.
Should I get the Vandal or should I keep the Vandal?
I think you plant the bomb. That's what we do.
One enemy remaining.
Running low.
Cypher left.
Bomb planted.
Bomb clap.
Yay. Bomb planté!
I think he's going through mid, through our
That's nice French.
Oh, never mind. That was probably Sage.
Did he die?
I'm out of here.
Or he's hiding to keep his gun.
Oh, you might help.
Almost out.
Like that money.
Those sticks, tactics.
Definitely hiding to keep his gun. Oh, our side B.
Got
You're
it.
gonna get killed by. Gotta run, Master.
Gotta go.
Or Mister. Whatever the heck your name is.
Meister.
Running low.
Mr. Matt.
It's Meister.
Mr. Ma-
Bruh, one monster.
Prepare yourself.
Monster?
We fight once again.
Yeah, no,
I mean,
Mr.
we
Matt
could
was.
interpret it for
Mr.
that.
Matt wasn't like. It was already taken, so I took. One
M1
Mr.
Is
Matt.
by chance
Monster Matt.
your name Matt?
So
start of it.
I ended up elongating my name because it wouldn't take a dot. It wouldn't take a dot. And
Cover going out.
it's illegal.
Satchel out.
Shadows traveling.
Let's go. Rush.
Coming through. I'm out of here.
Don't rush, there's a freaking trip!
There. Bro,
Spike down A.
don't rush. You say that as soon as I like halfway across the court.
I was. You
Oh, you got me through the cage.
It's illegal.
Oh no, to you.
Last player standing.
Yeah, that little fr- Oh.
Who is behind you? May
My
no.
advice? Don't get shot.
This is not good.
Anyone need anything?
Leave that line for chamber.
Well, at least we got a good advice. Just don't get shot.
We sheet.
Pretty good.
Perfect advice right there. Although I feel like that's Jets. That's Jets.
Go A.
Sign it.
I'm not getting freaking trip line at A. Goodbye.
I don't like tripplayers. They're evil.
Gotta go. Reloading.
Hello. Your time has come to pass.
Well,
Feeling safe.
There.
Well,
Go, go, go!
Yippee!
Why?
We tend to dust.
Why?
He's hit for 52.
It's you and me.
Oh, you can. If he doesn't,
Look at it. Look at it.
successful, she came out.
Nice. I was just waiting there.
Sage got it.
Oh, there's
Nice.
oh shit.
I'm out of here.
She's somewhere right here.
One enemy remaining.
Go, go,
Wait,
go!
does she come back though?
I'm out
Go.
of here.
We got the spike? Alright.
I don't like this.
He's out already. Planted.
They were not good.
Nice. Anyway,
Reload.
Whoa.
we got our secret
Whoa.
weapon. By secret weapon, I mean
Match point.
Sage.
One last fight, everyone. We can do it.
Last fight.
Oh, last flight.
Last fight.
Should I get the Vandal or the Vandal?
The Vandal.
The fan.
Did you say the Phantom?
Okay.
The Van. He
Phantom's
said
shit.
the Vandal or the Vandal.
Through the calm,
The fan.
I see.
Mark's right here
Through
with a
the
bulldog.
storm, I fight.
Okay, so
Oh my god, we're
Bulldogs
going
are
this way
pretty.
again. Okay, let's not get.
let's all die.
Reloading. This way. There we go.
Scared.
I didn't.
Feeling safe.
I don't have tripwired, bro.
Almost out. Found the spy.
I tried to. I avenged you, or no, I didn't avenge you. I saved you. Haha. I saw him.
One enemy
She just
remaining.
jumped out.
Gotcha, fun day.
He's back. Get her saved.
One enemy remaining.
Good shit, guys.
Nice.
Good
Jumped
shit.
out the
It's
window.
mine now.
360.
Part of the recon force.
Attackers win.
GG guys.
Hi-yo.
GG.
That sounds good.
Almost